Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. As you can see here, we are just about finished up with all the dry lock paint on our newly mortared stone foundation walls. I'll take a quick look here. So everywhere that you see this white dry lock, we have first cleared all the loose mortar, loose rock from the existing walls, and then completely remortared from top to bottom and corner to corner. And this is waterproofing paint, so just add that on top of the extensive mortar work that we've done to really keep these walls from allowing water to infiltrate it once our repairs are done. So it completely brightens up this basement down here. I'd really encourage you to go take a look at our first couple videos before we started that work till now, and you can really see the difference. I say it on all of these videos that these are some of my favorite projects to do just because of that before and after on these. So, and then this section right here, this is what we're working on today. This section was still bowed out quite a bit. So if you remember, we had a set of stairs coming down here, but this wall was leaning inward this way. So we're gonna get all this stone, build the wall back up vertical, and then once that's in place, we'll be able to do our mortar work and get our dry lock paint on there, and that is essentially it. Just a couple little spots we still have left to paint, but essentially everything else is finished. All of our support beams, new concrete footings poured with high strength concrete, those are all installed and in place. So everything is moving right along. We probably have another 2 days or so on here, I would say. We should be able to get the wall built up today, if not already onto the mortar work over the new stone by this afternoon. So we'll try to get that done. If we don't get it done today, we'll do the mortar first thing in the morning, clean up, and then finish up on Thursday morning, just painting this little section here. So either way, we should be finished up Thursday. So stay tuned for some more updates on this. As you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channel if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please give us a like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. You can see the entire every update on not only this project but all of our other current and past projects. And we'd really appreciate that. We have tons of videos, not just on stone foundation renovation, but also our King Pier footing support pier system, among others. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.